Welcome to an MCC Libraries Help video. In this video, we will discuss online databases, including what they are, how to access them, and their basic usage. Notice this video is part of a series. Look for the other database help videos on our Library Help subject guide. Okay, let's start at the MCC website. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find the link to the library page, or you can just type in mcckc.edu/library. Once you are on the library page, notice the local menu here on the left. We are going to click on databases. When we click on that, we'll arrive at the database page. Notice two tools at the top. Journal Finder helps you find which database to look in for a specific magazine or journal. And then Article Reach, if you are looking for a very specific article and we don't happen to have the right database here at MCC, you can request that article from another university or research institution. So that's a cool tool. If we scroll down, here are all the databases. Notice that they are listed by subject, starting with the multidisciplinary ones. You can also filter them to go alphabetically, but looking by subject, right, you can see all the different databases we have by the subjects that are relevant to the different courses here at MCC. I would point out pro-con, we have two databases, CQ, Researcher, and Opposing Viewpoints. Those are really good for those argumentative essays that you have to write in your early writing courses. Okay, back up to the top. Clicking on a database like ProQuest Research Library, that's a great example. When you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in, especially if you're at home. Now, sometimes if you've already logged into Canvas or MyMCC, it might let you write through. But if it does ask you to log on, please follow the on-page instructions. As we know, those can change. Here it asks you to log in with your S number at student.mcckc.edu, and then your password should be whatever your MyMCC password is as well. Once you've logged on, when you click through to the database, right, notice ProQuest, it looks a lot like Google. We have this search bar here, and a lot of the databases will look just like this. A search bar, you type in keywords, and it gives you results. A couple of things, though, about what exactly are databases. I would encourage you to look at our Introduction to Library and Research subject guide. We'll try and link that below. But notice under Find Articles, there's this box that says, what is a database and why should I use them? There's a lot of great information here, including what's the difference between regular or popular articles and scholarly peer-reviewed articles. A lot of good information. I encourage you to find that and read that. But usually what I tell students is the reason you want to use a database is, one, your instructor will probably tell you to, but also because it will save you time and give you better information. Again, save you time and give you better information because, right, Google's great, but it searches an entire web, lots of different research resources. But if we go here, type in our keywords, again, like Google, it's just going to give us a list of results. But notice these are only from academically relevant resources, whether it's a scholarly journal, peer-reviewed journal, a book, newspapers, magazines, trade journals, and more. Notice again, if I'm looking for a specific type of resource, I can filter it here. I can filter by publication date, right? And all sorts of different tools. You also have advanced search features on all of our databases that I encourage you to learn more about in our other videos. Real quickly, once you find an article that you're interested in reading, you click into it, you can read it. I would encourage you to email it to yourself. Also, all of our databases, really important. Last thing I'll mention, we'll have a citation feature. You have to cite the articles and resources that you use. Notice it provides what the citation should look like. You can copy and paste that into your bibliography. It also allows you to do it in various formats, including APA, Chicago, Turabian, and MLA. So I strongly encourage you to take a look at our databases. They're fantastic. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to contact us with questions, and please check out the other database videos on our subject guide.